Excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am. May I see your marijuana card, please? Could you tell me what doctor's office, clinic you attend, please? May I see your insurance card? Excuse me, where did you purchase your marijuana? Excuse me, ma'am. Could you tell me where you purchased your marijuana? Do you have a card? What is the name of your insurance, please? Ma'am? What is the name of your insurance? Excuse me, ma'am. No public intoxication. Ma'am, you're eating catnip in public. That is frowned upon. Ma'am. 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 Could you recite the alphabet beginning at L and ending in Y backwards? Ma'am. Would you consent to a body cavity search? Ma'am, may I search your car, please? Ma'am, it is unlawful to ingest catnip laced with marijuana in public. Ma'am, could you look at me? I am noting you will not make eye contact. Your head swivels, much like an owl. Ma'am, are you bipolar? Ma'am, do you hear voices, ma'am? I think you hear voices. Ma'am, are you sleepy? I believe you're sleepy. You're showing signs of sleepiness. This could also be a sign of you're drunk. I believe, ma'am, you're drunk in this instance. Ma'am, do you have an attorney? Ma'am, who is your state representative? Ma'am, did you vote? Ma'am, what is the name of your shampoo? Okay, you can tell them that, actually. Tell them I am a kaleidoscope, baby. I am a kaleidoscope, baby. Say, I support Batt I, and Judy. Hoo-hoo! PP. Petah. You know your eyes are really huge right now. Like you literally just hit a rock. Girl, I want to rock right now. I'm not internationally known. Come on, finish it. PP. Say, I am a kaleidoscope, baby. Look at my hair. It's all the way down there. Mama mia. What's it doing? Poo-poo? Why you biting? What's it doing, poo-poo? What's it doing, mama mia? I'm not going to take your toy. What's it doing, poo-poo? What's it doing? Why you nipping? Why you nipping though? This is her favorite place to play. So I will not take this shelf down because she likes to play on it. And be crazy. Come on. No, you're not. Where my fingers at? Wait, I'm trying to see my fingers. Wait. Come on, go ahead. There you go. Get it. Get it, PP. Get the alien fingers. Those alien fingers. Ooh. Ooh. You knocked it down. PP, what's it doing? PP, you want ice cream? You want a treat? PP, you want a treat? You want coconut cream pop? Authentic fruit pops. Coconut cream, your favorite. PP, you want to play red light, red light? Red light, red light. You want to play? Red light, red light. You're not talking today? Really? You want a treat? PP, are you high? Where are you going? What do you see?